Okay, African people. You know what is this, ne? Yeah. You know, whatever you call it, I don't care. But this will help you to understand what I'm saying. Don't mind my English. I'm not European. So, the word God means being from other planet, being from sky. The word God just means those from another planet or those coming from the sky, from direction of sky. So if we check good this one, you see this error here. This one, it shows any god can come here and be alone, and someone can call him a god because he's alone. With this mind to convince people that every single god is a creator, that is a lie. Any god can just come alone, appear to people alone, without other gods. People who must call him a creator. No. So God can just come out from this group to bring one here, so people can call him a creator, God, Lord of God, because they are appearing in different places of this planet to different people. So this one can come here, and another one can again go there and kill. Then people get confused. How come this God helped that one, but when come to this one, kill? Because it's another one. It's not the same. Every time this God appear alone, you think you're dealing with one God. It's not. Remember, even Creator is one of those gods. Do you understand? Hey, hey, you are old man, what you saying? You people, you have to understand or to find the original book where everything is in Bible was taken from. That original book, that telling story about God and God. If not, you want to stop there by that Bible. It's a new version of the original book. Meaning it's a fake.